today I'm gonna introduce a new machine to you. Ta-da! This is another type of roll vending machine, S10T. The most amazing thing about this machine is that these two rollers can swing left and right. Therefore, during the bending process, the compressed surface of the profile can change, achieving S-shaped bending. Now this machine is preparing to bend the shape of cloud.
Now these four rollers are conveying the profile, and then the profile will go through these rollers to complete the pre-bending step. After that, when it reaches here, these two rollers will start bending the profile.
This is the cloud shape it produced. Isn't it amazing? So, if you want to learn more about this machine, please follow this channel and contact me. I'm Lenka, looking forward to cooperating with you.